Hello friends, myself Deepak Shirbhate. I'm working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur District, Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today we will see how to create yellow flash rotating light star using Vivaty Studio. So you can see in the slide itself, I have created one star and one flashing light is rotating. Here it is on this particular place. It is changing its position. It is continuously rotating on the star. So this is what we want to create. It is a very laborious type of exercise, and we will be creating it using the Vivaty Studio. So this is how I want to create the output, and you can see that I have created a star and flashing light is continuously rotating. So this is the required output that I want to create. Okay, now this is a very laborious exercise. Lot of you can say repetition of work has to be done so as to create such type of output. So instead of that, today I will explain the process of creating the flashing sphere. So the process of creating the rotating light on the star and flashing player is same. So here you can see yellow light is flashing on the sphere. So this is a ideal. So you can see that this the model tree for yellow flash rotating star is very laborious, because you can see lot of elements are there, lot of roots are there, lot of color interpolators are there, lot of groups are there. So it is a very long process, and time sensors are there. So it will be a very long exercise to upload on the YouTube. So instead of that, what we will do is that instead of that, we will see only a small part of that exercise. So short and compact model tree for this flashing sphere is very suitable for YouTube video tutorial, and the same procedure can be replicated several times for constructing the yellow flashing rotating star. So 12 actually lobes are there, and you have to repeat the same procedure for 12 times. So 12 roots has to be created. Actually there are 24 roots, then 12 color interpolators and 12 groups and 2 time sensor. So it is a laborious process. So instead of that, for YouTube tutorial I will be explaining this particular procedure, how to create the yellow flashing sphere. So we will start with this. First of all, we have to create the sphere. Click on the sphere, create the sphere, make all the coordinates as 0 0 0. Then go to the animation and create animation. Create animation and this time sensor can be renamed as CM. I will call this as CM. Then again go to the animation, create another time sensor. Place the time sensor below this CM sensor, time sensor, and I will call this particular as a refresh time sensor. Refresh time sensor. This will be our refresh time sensor. Then create the color interpolator. So go to the create menu, then go to the advanced menu, then go to create other, then you search for color interpolation. You type color interpolator. Here it is. Click OK. Place below the refresh time sensor. Okay, and give the name as CM1P. You can give any name, that is not the problem. CM1P. Now you have to create two roots. So go to the root, place the root below the color interpolator, create another root. So this is the basic structure. Means you have to create sphere, 2 time sensor, 1 color interpolator and 1 root. That is the basic structure of this particular 2 roots should be there. Now we will create the time sensor, give the period as 1, click check the auto start, then go to the time sensor as a refresh, give the period 0.1 and click the auto starts. So that's it. Then we will create the color interpolator. We have created the color interpolator, just we have to give the values. I have actually copied all the values in one text notepad. I'm just going to paste all those values. Then there will be key values. So key means at these intervals there will be changes. That is called as key value. Key and in the container field you can place a children, but it is not retaining. I don't know why it is not retaining. Then we will create the roots. 2 roots are required. Go to the root. First root will be from the time sensor to the color interpolator. So pick the color interpolator, then change this to SF root, and you can see that the root is valid. Now second root will be from color interpolator to the sphere. So click on the color interpolator, click on the sphere. So that's all. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any problem you can definitely contact me. Thank you.